Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Vicky, and also welcome back another video. In this video I will show you how to use Telegram app in your mobile phone with easy step. So let's get start this video. Before start this video, I will request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest education videos. So first of all, I will show you how to download Telegram app in your mobile phone. Open your mobile Play Store and search here Telegram. You can see that Telegram app is here. I have already downloaded Telegram app in mobile phone. If you have already downloaded it, so you can open that. If you don't have installed in your mobile phone, so kindly first of all install Telegram app in your mobile phone. So simply I will open Telegram app in my mobile phone and I will tell you everything about that. So simply I will open Telegram app in my mobile phone. Here you see that three dots. I will click on three dots. Here are is first of your name and second your mobile number. There are many features: new group, contacts, calls, people nearby, saved messages, setting, invite friends, Telegram features. New group mean that you can create any group with your friend. You can chat, sending photos, videos like business type photo videos. You can share that in groups easily and he work very fastly. You can send videos very fastly in Telegram group. So here is very features I have to use last 2 years this app and I am very happy about that. So I will also recommend it that you have to use this app for your business and group chatting. There are is many features like privacy and security, notification sounds, data and storage, chat setting. Here are you can see that everything is available that you have to set in your Instagram profile. So I will open privacy and security. For example, there are features available like blocked user phone number, last seen online, profile photos, forward message, calls, group, passcodes, lock, two-factor verification. Here as is one thing, two-step verification is full secure app and you can set two-step verification in your Telegram app. So this is the Telegram app. I highly recommended you. Please download it and use this app. You can like these features and you have to use so you can easily feel. After use this app, do like and give your feedback in comment box. So inshallah we will meet in next video. Take care. Bye bye.